na okronfo no ba ko bie na no ka kire no se woni Nyankopon ba no ane je ho na je yensu bie woni Nyankopon ba no a je ho na je yensu ebie ana ba ko tu bie na ka kire se yendie boni ayedi eso asotwa na yekurai obi na ka kire se Yesu udu ahima mu akae me ana Yesu ka kire ne se enne o se enne o enye nra eye ne obeka me ho e wo paradise pasolo ne din ni paradise ayema akwa ba emra aduokron enson akiripo ba ko eso akomang radio akaba drive jumadie ni nie tim ni nyina ya solid ya fast dama na nakwa me mpere se wo do honyum anwuma dididie body am ba pim sabre tim na ya solid ya ko ya security checkpoint ya Dr. Obed wani wafa Julius mamutie ni di monitor proceedings no a McFadden DJ Zigibi MCR ho Tony Mafi waba Donzi monitor from afar Medin the Victor Lixto here that commented the phone I'm running D boy rest to the power one and never yet the papa listen if you have a count the bedidra the bonum the can you ask some papa ye as me you fear maybe somewhere tree you will can be confiance on bafo and the parkwasi womunyina account and a way ya dwumadie kama bro executive producer KAB Kofi Anson Bafo ya trust community no num ne fa ebebo no num ne fa bo a ye be pon dwumadie no na ya fa news anu agi ne the announcement e de abramo na DJs na to aso sa mi de kwame da akon okoma ani akwa bo welcome with the Lord akwa welcome with the Lord Aquaba Bon Arrivé.
My grace Onimuna mama benso Nanu mashe matamfusu Isimeni anchi waradi kwanche mo Yaranya kunkuse iradi Radi ne hunu adinina Ono no hunu subenina Sinkasa bebrebe Isore na huti fonina Ena so Omadia washa na benso Obebi watamfu nyina Pasa o Otodra nyina Bebubu Obashi watamfu nyina Wamba free wa wakonya so Na waya wahini Eni ohima o Yeah Afisa se Otna se Afisa se Na wonsu wa ye
Afisa se
Afisa se
Afisa se
Wonsu ba wario
Afisa se Na wonsu wa wario
Afisa se
Afisa se
Afisa se
Afisa se
Subenya bani bio
Afisa se Na wonsu wa woba
Misu otna se wati
Otna se
Otna se
Otna se
Benya wayarisa
Otna se Na wenya wayarisa
Otna se
Otna se
Otna se
Otna se
Usubeye yo
Otna se Na wonsu wa ye
Omobenso, yeah. Obra oni pasio, Oma oni pasio. Oma mo broni sufri mputo mwa, Omo yeni sufri, sumina so. Sada no batina ama po memo, Wanyani monyam gaso, atina o. Ochna sese, na wonsu, edru so. Wasi, ni rent free wo, Kanwakume nyina. Fatuya, Kisebi dia baba no pa o, Ebisu dia baba, Ewiya, Oni maju konfi fire ho, Yansu yamrebe so, Afisa se, Otna se, Nedru so, Nyamine kumo, Nyamine manko, Radine ma obisu diya, Omo bisu, Obra oni pasio, Oma oni pasio, Oma mo broni sufri mpocho mwa, Omo yeni sufri, sumina so, Sada no batina ama po mamo, Wanyani monyam gaso, atina o. Afisa se, na wonsu, edru so, Asi, ni remfri wo, Kanwakume nyina fatuya, Kisebi dia baba no pa, yeah. Oh, Oni maju konfi fire wa, Afisa se, Otna se, Afisa se na drum so.
Afisa se
Sinkasa bebe,
Afisa se
Orana uti foni na swati,
Afisa se
Baya oyini,
Na wonsu
Usubaya oyina,
Afisa se
Anana usu,
Afisa se
Sami soba sirio,
Afisa se
Afisa se,
Na wonsu wa woba
Oni maju konje ya wa,
Otna se
Usumre beso,
Otna se
Okume nyina fatuya,
Otna se Na wenya wayarisa
Mawakume nye use wate,
Otna se
Senya mika wate,
Otna se
Aya nadye wani remwa,
Otna se
That's 7.1 from this rocket. Booyah blazing.
Radine ma obisu diya, Omo binsu diye, Obra oni pasio, Oma oni pasio, Oma mo broni sufri mpocho mwa, Omo yeni sufri, sumina so, Sada the button, I'm a bomb, when you're the young piasso, now. I feel so sad, now also a drew so. I see you ran free, come up with many now for 2 young. It's a video baba no pa. Yeah. Oh, on my dream, country fire one. I feel so sad. What's not so sad? I feel so sad, no room is slow.
I feel so sad.
Listen, Casa, baby.
I feel so sad.
When I want to phone you, Nana Swat.
I feel so sad.
Buy all you need now. Also buy all you know.
I feel so sad.
And then I also.
I feel so sad.
So me so basilio.
I feel so sad.
I feel so sad. On my dream, country ya one.
What's not so sad?
Also remember so.
What's not so sad?
Oh, come in a fatu ya.
What's not so sad? Now we know why you're sad.
Oh, come in here, we say what?
What's not so sad?
Say me come what?
What's not so sad?
I am not your one in room one.
What's not so sad?
Whatever Miss Rocket, oh yeah, blaze it.
So now I do so what?
I feel so sad.
If you say, oh, chini animo obinti so oye titi nyami ente radika say madini na nyedi ase wankasa ni baba sabedi mi ramo ni die mi yasia ni we ejameni daswa me ho setwe mamani miechi ajaga so adini na jadi se wankasa ni papa sabedi mi amo ni de mi wiasia miti odefo mani daswa enti me ho setwe mamani miechi Radia mama ye Adibomu odishi Washamitini ni kata Odini pasha mafunuma Mama kuma shamo Mama tanfu aniye Intina mirami tiasi Minyuna siya metina Nama tumidofu unyumse Unyuma ye kasi Unyuma ye mama Oni baba tumenti ase Victory saya butaindi Bidi ye mi surodom Izania wati mi muno Susini niya wawari ase Eja udina sidanka Odufo udina yeyenka Kateche udina shiranka Kasibre udina ntumtumuka Samesha udina nyonyamungo Odafo udina nidise Kavari kuni udifwe Wayeye rizada Midie mebuni dino Mewera dini dino Amani suwachi Amanu so Amanu sanina Amanu so Oyo ura Efirise Oyo ura Nachiri nanimo Obinti se Oye titi nyami Eradika so Madini na yedi Radika miwi Bisurana jubumubo Lama etuwewi Esanyadia sayadia Bisewa mami kirajani Bilusumu fona vidie Ena vidie na bubu Namidia madi nivo Tibra mitiasidie Jani popia nyerade Kujifuni Yehowa Ontongo na ona Hey, eradika mihuidia Bisimi sura na jubumbo Ibama etuwe Esaniadia sayadio Bisawa mami kirajani Ofidu sufo na vidie Ene vidie na bubu Namidie madini ho Eti brami tiasidia Nidani kobiani erade Nikujifuni Yehowa Ontonko na ona Intiasida be Onebe soweni Ejana midie mento jumbe Nebeye wasumude Ejamidi mihunina Oba foremawa Okasie mi audia Ami wadidi biaja Nasemi yisi kanswa Sikani biteni na frigo Eti masemi na nise Eja udina sidanka Eja udina sidanka Nufo udina yeyenka Kateche udina shiranka Kasibre udina ntuntunko Sameshe udina nyonyamuka Odefo udina nidise Kavari kuni udifwe Wayeye rizada Echama
Abusuafo anwum we akasa kire ye nyina bebrebe matwe urade anim wo bere na so ase dia mame mesi sa mudu we mu no aya friend Easter ebi friend Passion Week Easter ni mu anenya Passion Week no ye baba e ho de ahia Kristo ni wo ne sore da Kristo sorry na akoma nyina shema miyimpa ya ma ose na watwi wakoma so bisade nyina mram makoma ashema John chapter 11 verse number 25 and 26 Yohane eteduba kunyi yimu adionum enum ani adionum eye ensia 25-26 Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life. Sasam way wo bia wo disumbia ni mantumi anka bi eno na de eye esosune ba to ye Christofo ani asum ahodo no entem. Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life. Those who believe in me will live even though they die, and those who live and believe in me will never die. Do you believe this? Yes, be son say wujidi ana mini owu sorry ani yankwa. Yes sana Yesu kan ye mini owu sorry ani yankwa. Enti ma me brother Yankopon edi na chi ne ba Yesu no ono ni owu sorry ani nkwa no ono atumi nyina kura no me se enseye men paba eme wabamu mu Yesu di ne nsasi ne bukan mini ne odi na chi no asem o ka kire ho yesi osom ne ba ko wa mu wura wa ba be wu no aka kire o say each one for himself, God for us all. Wa ba be wu no sa no ka kire na chidifo no nanso Yesu Kristo Onyankopon ba no asemini owu sorry ene nkwa ni ogimidie no empo owu a obenya nkwa mame brother sister ye kan Kristo ni wuo ne sorry yi aseni ogimidie no so owu mpo obenya nkwa minim ne owu abrabo ni mu say ya oba say wa djuma say wa ware say osika sem Kristo say mini owu sorry ene nkwa. I am the resurrection and the life. No Jimmy no. Subject matter no ase. Jeradi Yesu Kristo di. Fa we nyina hye ni mu. Fa wonto no so wate. Passion Week we mesraw enye wo fim. We Methodist ni, we Pentecost ni, we Roman ni, we Presby ni. Yesu se mini owu sorry ane nkwa. Why bio china kwa kodie. Tie onam so ma kronfo kura benya nkwa okronfo no ba ko se Yesu kai mo se ne me kai wo e wo paradise ne kai Kristo ni wuyi won kai what Yesu won kai wo Kristo won kai wo na won mu wo woni mra ho so ni wuyi mu tie ma tro asem bi wo ha is Good Friday real and is the blood relevant. See me John 19:19 was in a Pilate sure say Pilate a trust say tie onipa bi ewu e twena pampam etimi twro date of birth koye ha professor say akronfo mienu no yantro bibia mo ma pampam you can check from the Bible akronfo mienu no obi ani omho adanse ba Yesu Kristo de ni ode pen ne paper e twro ye e chese papa yi tumi kura no papa yi wono ji wiase nyina nko se na Pilate trust say senye Yesu ni wona nka minister Pilate or a designer or to say okoma broni na me nim say Pilate wotumi twro ensem sa me wi mpa ye say wo so ye betwra asempa de afa ho ye betwa bi papa bi e de ato so ye betwa bi papa bi e de ahye wonsa ye betwa bi papa bi e de ahye wanim na Pilate try say, and I'm going to read. What you see, actually, Jesus said, "What to me so again, Kwano?" And Pilate wrote, John 19:19. Pilate wrote a notice and had it put on the cross. Jesus of Nazareth, the King of the Jews. The King of the Jews. And near Pilate to try, you know, after you are singing now, Jesus is the King of the world. Pilate na try you. Pilate na yede Yesu come and so go kunu no. Within one dance ye. The King of the Jews. Now Jesus is the King of the world. Fa won to no so. Fa wi de hye ni mo. Me see, wotumi je nkwa. Da bia me ka chem amanfo say, kwa asore say, ukosum Yesu. Na mom ukosum Nyankopon, na mom kotie Nyame asem afa onipam. Enkosum nipa no. Pilate try. Me yimpa ma say be try asem pepe bia fa ho. The veteran shall be a phone. The veteran do be a phone. You go come Yesu no. Pilate cried the dance and say, Jesus, the King of the Jews. You be a king in your family. You be a king at your workplace. You be a king in your ministry. You be a king in your school. You be a king in that enclave. You be a king in that area. You do what dance here. What? King of the Jews is going to die. We was seeing or sank as a mando. That also answer no sorry. You must see sorry, your brother. O mama say sorry, you. Or you must say sorry, you. Now what tree ye kai could do for 2 me would be? It didn't Jesus. Pilate trust say, this man is the King of the Jews. One for the man, I can see me out there. Now me what did he be a journey? That's a me campo. Sikani Gitanina. Yeah, anti massam Yinan said. Again. So will be money baby woo at the Aji and Keke. A Yaudina Sedan Kawati. Mr. Mafoi. Say basa ba kokura wudi agega na menye da nanso o mane bakrope ebe wuye konimdifo wodi konimdi ni ewo Calvary awrade konimdi ni ebi to so ebi to adwumam ebi to wo maso na mi dia ko mi tu se wona wo twa woni mi wu asida ejama ko maso asamba amde nyuma mi tu yo. Na wo yo wura ya man so kira mansan nyina ya man so kira mansan nyina na waje afri ya hawo nyina na ya mane mu awura ne ntina nim kira wo no mensi wiye ne dumunti amen.
We are blazing.
yo. Every wall be moved. Wonya misawa misuti sana da wakasatra me. Na so machoa na minteni nyo. Nia mifemu nyina na wadine nina shemi. Osunya breko washenya titi. Ahuchanye media po. Ayana wede. Ube umina maye fefe. Na sunya mikomo no na. Some fata cry. Oh, yeah, they want my brody. Missy one, I would want you to one solo one in a ritio. And so I know the pepper, not so when you know I was on your brego or shane at TT. I won't share your bed, dear poor. I had a wire, dear. You don't know why you're fair. Not soon you won't come on, now be anymore. Minyami. Some fata cry. Oh, yeah, they want my brody. Everyone be moved.
Highly spiritual.
We are blazing.
Madumna busama bo esuro mi be minya me mekana maka eshirana meshira mama madumna busama bo esuro mi be minya me mekana maka eshirana meshira mama madumna busama bo mi yonya me no kwafo mi huye hu madoya donso me sha ejina meka ebem ya maka fa wo bia ebem Eshirapa, Meshira, Mama Dunda Busama, Eshira, Meshira, Esuro, mi bay, Minyame Mekana Mako, Eshira, Meshira, Mama Dunda Busama, Esuro, Mepa, Mekana Maka, Eshira, Meshira, Mama Dunda Busama, Meshra wo fidi ane wonsa no adwuma mema wo so me be free kwaso me de wasi aba pon mate na be awate na wona wo hu wo sere wo no wo be hu na wasi wo trase enshira na meshra mema madum na busama wo Meshra wa yamwa Meshra wo fidi ane wonsa no adwuma Mema wo so me be free kwaso me de wasi aba pon mate na be awate wana wo hu wo sere wo no wo be hu na wasi wo trase kase
Eshira nkwa Yakopon odi be ma wani mu ngu ase de biara da. Meshira ho. Hey. No nine papa. Pasolo Paradise. At the sports and more than party baby. Yeah. Kaye. Eshira de more than papa. Esro da. Esro yare esro how. Esro titi esro mani bia. Aba. Esro odan no ubewie. Edan na wa sha ase no. Eyade a ubewie. Eno ane se ne American betie ne yie pa. Odo ani kire ya JDK Adom Enterprise ya. Odan no ubewie kura manhya na buso de ama se pido. Weshira unsano sanwa cement, iron rods, and adwa, iron and galvanized pipe, square pipes, round pipes, angle pipes, and flat bar. Ebaya wo chef papa. And what you rods a who do nyina 5838 quarter road na full road ni nyina no obenya bi ewo ya JDK Adom Enterprise. Wonu mu ebutu amanti asman. Eye mampo tete kwashi Memorial Hospital. Sharp curve ni mwana wonu mu ebutuo. Wama hu wosre wono wombe hu bio na nkasa wote ofie ni afie ofre wura ye be fra efie wura asasi wura edan wura esane se JDK Adom de woboa empanyini woboa bia mane dan no ene ni so ade hu no etimi be mpepepe yeni aye bukasi dan na mi ato yensem no yem frem panyini 0244 42 9533 0244 42 9533 and after 0244 857 874 JDK Adom Enterprise osinyamishira no nko a o manpo akuapem sabre de ya dan ho ye twa ne se
too conscious Donzi me was some about the pong showers move abelipo come go fiki nada Yena say what me then what they expect I can share your rare and I'm a Philly test rape fraud and as a petty theft and some other ya things I no go fit to guess like headlines Donzi chaka goof and you say what if no mouth feel good when you are happy for the doom or young him now ready for the hood now what is a medi if you know why you're sad that one you know the spread feast and you was some papa naturally what you say empower feel bad what me Guinness and you soon yem etobaha to maybe say why for the soul why for fit to hate on your brother man success Nana, me ask you, Ojine Papa Ma and bad for the other side. You and the devil, what be the difference? 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 There is something about you, bro. Can't imagine why I'm in touch with the way I'm putting the fire we are. So I'm a man by way there. And go be a little bit, yeah, I'm a man by boy. Me bring na me papa I said to you but I'm no calling it a young baba you enjoy that still all over you the push all the move there was some of one upon the Juma me man yami blame nipa many ways to make it mambo show crime did that then cast me a rich and as I said this can baba make sure me leave my cobiara to me paper started from the bottom with the plan things fell apart you know what I come story until I say well look at that when you try me 6 pack must am cream me belly fat the way I see more degree now the witchcraft forget to what you heard that be my sentiment you mu na nyame penya me na yemi say and that's me that head and so must say just a mode munyan ka de dia nyame day why for the soul why for fit to hate on your brother man success nana me ask you Ojine Papa Ma and bad for the other side you and the devil what be the difference 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 There is something about you, bro. Can't imagine why I'm in touch with the way I'm putting the fire we are. So I'm a man by there. And go be a little bit, yeah, I'm a man by boy. I'm a brain, me
see the woo. But Sunday,
We are blazing.
Somebody, she want make her come call you. I'm gonna tell you one body, yeah. Hey, baby. Hey, you know what it is. Bring out the baby. Down, girl. Go down, down. Yeah, the sound, girl. Down. I'm in love. I said I'm in love. Baby, let me cover you. When you stand, I'm under you. Oh, na 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 na. Uncle, stop touching.
Sorry, madam, sorry.
Somebody, she want make her come call you. I'm gonna tell you one body, yeah. Down, girl. Go down, down. Yeah, the sound, girl. I'm in love. I said I'm in love. Baby, let me cover you. When you stand, I'm under you. Oh, na 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 na.
We are blazing.
Antony Coalition. The Antony Coalition. Obi Antony Coalition.
I hope a promo Yanabu Huntia, or ya were time for Jano Manivia, Yambuamu Amunsina Bumpia.
Sabupe Moano Menina Edi Nana Yamini Awakano Nebebe Mo. Sauma Usa Swabi Ponina Tutu. So my party don't lose God, can't walk home after yeah. Everybody singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Everybody singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Make me sing oh yeah. I say let me sing oh yeah.
Namufisa Meshiasi, the Koyama Samba, I want you to crack the fair Muntin and one say my wife mini dama. We need a wono. Namufisa Maya Sanseni, Uhumiana will ye my show after the winning bomb so pen was a wine pony. Yananya Men and Sano. After the woman too. Man, I must say me a junkie, and Sabusu KB. Shame on you too. After the no who said me my cobble yonki. Channel. Kidding was a monkey. If I check, I just say you the hungry. Why you yak about that social busky? Me woo ya the Nana Metiase. When they mean your pay will be an Niviase. Man, I made a bench so I flower no will be a for handkerchief from the Pemenia. What else?
Nana Yamini Awakano Nebebe Mo. Uma Usa Swabi Ponina Tutu. So my party don't lose God, can't walk home after yeah. Everybody singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Everybody singing hallelujah, hallelujah. Make me sing oh yeah. I say let me sing oh yeah.
My win chimney 10 years, me wank way back. My flop it, this be my payback. My enemies for their God, men care so I don't want to disobey God. No. My try some of them to prison. Wabra muni particular reason. Mujwe me ho, me need to go for your meeting. Fatu wasum, I don't wanna be repeating. Yamene bo me ho bain ti munye foko. Money no be problem. Ga no ni me moto. To when you hear me ho na meni, me shot to. Member we ninja watch na me don't know.
Kona wo boss run assassin e munya menti na ya fra wo adona. Yen yo ma wa ya ma me ni me busia funa so me ni be brenti I won't lie. Kona wo boss run assassin e munya menti na ya fra wo adona. Yen yo ma wa ya ma me ni me busia fonira. Body. She ran away from me, man, never miss you. Say, body. You only have me for now, see again. I'm a body. Why am I gas? You me that see again. I'm here. What is it? I'm a body. I'm a too much.
We are blazing.
If you wanna give me trouble, boy, I swear you lie. If you know you know fit handle, please don't waste my time. I don't wanna be your side chick, I wanna be in charge. Need a man to hold me tight up throughout the night. Oh, drama holding me, Devin holding me. Oh, drama holding me. And now we're take coupe, my caniso say, hey, we're take coupe, langa langa coupe, ay, my caniso say, and now we're take coupe, hey, we're take coupe, langa langa coupe, ay. Boy, you just like the sun, you always come and go. Even though you know gonna be around, baby, let me know. Cause I get too much love from my heart, only you that I want to show. Your loving they catch me like fever, and I'm getting cold. I don't yam run, I'm a yari yari yo. But you want mama worry worry yo. My home matia, my fuck atia, it's too many, I come in qua. I don't yam run, I'm a yari yari yo. But you want mama worry worry yo. My home matia, my fuck atia, it's too many, I come in qua. And now we're take coupe, my caniso say, hey, we're take coupe, langa langa coupe, ay, my caniso say, and now we're take coupe, hey, we're take coupe, langa langa coupe, ay. So say, ha, sugar, fashe, boko. So say, ha, sugar, fashe, boko. Hey baby, me I know say you get somebody. That be why you no get time for me. Every day while you're on busy body. They be a who come Kumasi. My sister will girl be the Belinda. The friend who will meet in Beyonce, but I don't even know what be the agenda. Oh, this is me. Oh, da 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 me. Oh, da di 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 me. Oh, da 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 me. Oh, this is me. Oh, da 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 me. Oh, da di 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 me. Oh, da 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 me. And now we're take coupe, my caniso say, hey, we're take coupe, langa langa coupe, ay, my caniso say, and now we're take coupe, hey, we're take coupe, langa langa coupe, ay, now we're take coupe, my caniso say, hey, we're take coupe, langa langa coupe, ay, my caniso say, and now we're take coupe, hey, we're take coupe, langa langa coupe,
Like a fuck
We are blazing.
But I change my mind because me still at the defense side too. Shut that movement, you know my mind on me and the love Bible. I know be Jesus Christ, so but me I get many disciples. Jamaica, the taker, always they grow strong. Every day and night to me they say I the Jojo bomb. See after the storm, cause I break go sign storm. Gong, 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 gong. Minister, I'm a fair to more tongue, 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 tongue. After the show, the party, me say a bong, bong, bong. Shut up, I live, see me a gong, gong, gong. Who that? King come again, like a first day again. Scorpion cake, bong, bong, on chaque bay. Cut down, no, let me a be leg. That's all I know, hip hop, a sack, kumo. One time, reggae. I love the walking, Munjamo. They be a dead. Every day they tell people say they know my stuff. Cratchy, I rough. For this music, me I get muff. Bunty, I beat you the shock. See what the fuck, if you tell me say I will stop. Gong. Minister, I'm a vet to more dong. After the show, the party, me say a bong. Shut the wale, me see me a gong. Who that? Like I for go school for Ningo. But I change my mind because me still at the defense side too. Shut up moment, you know my mind on me at the love Bible. I know be Jesus Christ, but me I get many disciples. Jamaica, the taker, always they grow strong. Every day and night to me they say I the Jojo bomb. See after the storm, cause I break on sign storm. Gong. Minister, I'm a vet to more dong. After the show, the party, me say a bong. Shut the wale, me see me a gong. Who that? King come again.
Kinata baby.
Turn up. Opinion that bender, you can be the next. Then you wanna on ya change you reverse. Shine off deck. Kotoko just in so white in a one pair paint in the red. Your best say north south is to the west. In your rush in the two when I feel when the day. Daddy you chop money oh ye man mommy no mommy. Oh your best cook in the world. On a mudia do na mumo no soon. She said dear boy, they would have mama super foam. Will be the obstacle, Pecos bring shovel, new level, new devil, one get the hope. Keep on keeping on, move on, help me sing this song. One more, that's all your gent, take tall. I never know what's so bad, you're 10 strong, that's all.
See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. We know you no bag a long talk. We know you no bag a long chat. Action time. We know you no bag a long talk. We know you no bag a long chat. Getting crime. We know you no bag a long chat. We know you no bag a long talk. Action time. We know you no bag a long chat. We know you no bag a long talk. Getting crime.
Ojogo.
Mr. JP.
Ojogo.
Turn up.
She asked no biala na na blabo. Esa wa bwene bimpana wa tapo. No kete wumpana wa leja kwa wate mo rapper wa yelipana wa tapo. I did me start me time and my first rhyme and my rap more skip it dining. Obi the move flow come obi designing. This against you go the public for me and mining. You cry a Friday mono tungum. A rush shahin chewa wumbu. A try stealing tum. Samara from a yamin. Nejina wa me hu. Begin a danger chill. Matter be careful na my black pay. Talk police so Genevieve. Obiam put to choma mo kwa mi ahen.
See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. We know you no bag a long talk. We know you no bag a long chat. Action time. We know you no bag a long talk. We know you no bag a long chat. Picking crime. We know you no bag a long chat. We know you no bag a long talk. Action time. We know you no bag a long chat. We know you no bag a long talk. Picking crime. We know you no bag a long talk. We know you no bag a long chat. Action time. We know you no bag a long talk. We know you no bag a long chat. Picking crime. We know you no bag a long chat. We know you no bag a long talk. Action time. We know you no bag a long chat. We know you no bag a long talk. Picking crime. Swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill.
No, anya bonisa.
See me swagger.
Pasolo Powers at me atrase.
Just to chill. We no brag.
Action time.
We work hard.
Kofi Kinata. Featuring Kaki. Yay!
Kinata, baby. Turn up.
Kofi Kinata. Solo.
High grade.
Abrantie Brebi Michiano wo kro ba ko mi so.
We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. See me swagger, dress to kill. Gucci Prada, just to chill. We no brag, check the bill. We work hard for everything we need. Kinata, baby.
Solo onyum no me hu. Ene dia edwa fa mani so.
High grade family.
Solo Numre yema akwaba emra akoma de okronso ne achipo ba akonso
mejo so chairman
na nya onyum no aseme hu bit no ti o masuma asenya no na ho ye de and na Kofi coach ni birthday
yes Kofi coach
Kofi coach ni birthday ene
Ofie Royals head coach
ni birthday ene eye ene enti ne mabonyo ama Kofi mabonyo e de ama eye Kofi coach ade tse wo de agine ni enti no solo efe na mahu nyum no efe na mahu nyum no enti no solo nyum na ba enti no yemfanfa na aha anti wa masi Ghana ni no bobo mskin no akobobo mskin ya bono na so yesi wanya sika pa solo ekura ya fila ni nyina de ma ye ne Ivory Coast so mo se o ma ji atumi se African Cup no by June 13th de na se ye koye ni mo anisa solo akwa ba bi o
oba de adom
mo
mejo so
ma fantumo na yesi ai Ghana ni wanya sika ba ye brimu no
bo de abono ba wanya sika
yesi wanya sika nya akwa no bono no
sa o san u bibia yi
ye dia ye ba bonzu benya sika Ghana ni mu ase
sika they say ya boxing dey say kofi boxing dey egu
so na Ghana boxing brebe na ejina na so
Azuma na se no mo
Azuma no de na Azuma to kwa hwa he me hwe one Gomez kakra na me abofra kra na san ya de o se na and the difference wo bono Australia wo bono kra David
about no one
omo mienu ti ba ko obono Australia ho and father and son no na san de nka ho
obono ho modern
o ti mi Azuma na ho eden
primary school mi
Azuma na ho eden papa Azuma Gomez na nyanto kwa ketwa Azuma ne eja fairness na nyanto kwa ketwa Azuma na ho eden do na boxer ba ko we pray don dey amobra bia
Joshua Clotte no so be page after Azuma no
ho na ko di kan no
kan
ba ko di kan bo na se kan no fa ne yam ya pro na ni se se o kire duane fa me yam
ba say ya boxer dey confirm
okay so yankwe
okay abusia yema wadwe ma wakwa ba family Okoma radio 97.1 eso emra so say nwumren ye tena se agudie mu nsem kakra ye de eba na ohun se ne ye yenko Facebook ayo Okoma radio 97.1 and so Facebook udu ono ma wa like page no na wa drop a comment afi share ma unia no enya bi en share nwumren Ziggy B ye adwuma no and so ewo control room in terms of social media there papa waje afa oye adwuma no pe and so ewo ehonom na osanso edu eni echemu dia krobia sante eke omu na ta echere nwumren ena ye dia agudie mu nsama dia ba medina the paradise ye hyen sam na se enfema wenfem free krobia metema kuma se asante koloko tim no and so akache na odu eni echere ewo koloko boboko no akache dia na ese ene edei asante kotoko tim no and so ehwe prapra ni o machi ye pa enso tumi ade ama ma rese bibia betumi akonkan enso tumi ade ama bobo kwa ni de kuma san toko ne ba beto ogwa ese omu ba be pam eye nana yo amponsa ade afri ni position ekita no asiwo ade ma san toko ni ye ba be yi no enso tumi ade na afri wonom na enom ene wodu ene chemo ewo board no akache a kotoko board spokesperson papa ni de Boatin Jemfi eno no so atumi akasa eyi ano sansam no kura bi enim ne mo meba beto ogwa se ene papa ni de edi Sedu Zebo kumasa sanzo okofo enso ne no atonkwanta pai wono na eye head coach edi emetim no enti board na atonsa de afre CEO na na amponsa sa womra no mra meyi no ho ano ne enti a omoko pamon say du zebu board no ensu ni mu ho hwe omo ante hwe yanfa bibia anto omanim yankan hwe yankyere omo na omo te yanse kotoko tim no apamo say du zebu ono na yesi wo enti wamra mayi no hwanu na emom enye so omo kwa akwaje adwuma no e de afre na nsem oso omo koye no 7 member board no omo to waba no emunsia eso moma na na aponsa ento adwuma ne so no ye enti ba ko pe na tuti aye se yenje adwuma ne famfiri ne nsam na mom emunsia ese adwuma ne de omoma ne nto aso no nkoso ye emfema kumasa santro kwenten ya de a omoji eye adwuma na na aponsa ye e de makotoko se CEO no omoji e de afri ne nsam eno eye ne afri kotoko akache e de ba ye ka kotoko ho nsam nyame adoma wo china enwumre omusu jino ko ano omne bobo kwani din enso ene Kumasi base Kimfesa ena ebo eno enso eye 2022-2023 eye Bet Power Premier League no Ghana Premier League eno so enho ensam na outstanding league game ena kotokoni Kimfesa enso ebebo oduani echiemo dia 20-man squad Kumasi Asantoko coach anidin enso ede Abdullahi Gazeli ede eko game no ene ono so ede ababetugwa na yenhwe ne yempra prachire enyi free wo enso entumi emfa ema wo goalkeepers no eye mienu Frederick Asare ono ye goalkeeper omode no eko Kimfesa game name na fe Danlad Ibrahim ono so ye goalkeeper defenders no Mohammed Al Hassan Maxwell Ajiman Augustine Ejapon Kwajo Apau Sansu na Nicholas Osebonso Mubarak Yusuf ena fe Rocky Jamina omo defenders akotoko ede omo eko game name na omo so akwa jirem yem comment for this no Richmond Lamte Sharif Mohammed Richard Buadu Agadas ena fe Shadrack Ado omo so midfielders attackers no Matthews De Souza Enoch Morrison Isaac Opon Georges Infege ena fe Steven Mukwala omo so attackers akotoko enso de omo eko na omo akoko shia bobo kwani din enso edi Kimfesa nyame adoma wo chena ena sa game no eba so ewo Kumasi Babanyara Sports Stadium eno ena sa game no ehonom na ebeba so a wo chena 7 PM ena game no ebeba so Kotoko versus bobo kwandi edi Kimfesa match day 21 for Ghana Premier League outstanding game ebeba so supporters no ese ene Arise Asantoko supporters agenda back to Babayara into almost say omu Babayara Sports Stadium in their numbers omu kwashe stadium no ma na for match players na up na omu say nkunim no ebeba ediama Kumasi Asante Kotoko eno reporter ifo de eba no pay anase enwumre yete won enso to me ede ema wo yafe ni enchiremo enso ewo ensemfu from edia Coach of the month of a match for Ghana Premier League no NASCO coach of the month of match no nominees no answer to me about na say ena etie Evans Augustine Ado ono ewo Mediama akache and Evans Adote ewo Mediama 6 matches 4 wins ena fe draw na baako ena lose no enso baako ena omushe goals no maako enson ena afe concede 2 goals as head coach Ediema Mediama John Eduafo ewo Kotoku Royals omo head coach no ono sunya nominees ni bi ya nominate no na ono so ebo 6 matches ewo match bosuminim oshe goals no maako 12 ena concede 8 goals olusu 3 eno owini 3 eno coach Eduafo eno coach okochi Kotoku Royals boboko no afi Beche United head coach Okansi Mengo Kasim ono so no ya nominate no 6 matches out of 6 matches no owini 3 or draw 1 olusu 2 or share 7 goals and concede 4 goals and so enti coaches ya nominate you for month of a match no NASCO month coach of the month of match no and amabo boss the amawa Evans Adote of Mediama John Ediafo of Kotoku Royals and afe Kasim Menko of Bechem United sa 3 coaches way and a penny for and so nominate you am made some no see na momoko amanone am obeka ya Manchester United boboko no and so any Fulham boboko no and so etumi ebo ɛwɔ ɛyɛ game baako ɛwɔ England mmɔnten so na saa game ni mu ano ɛna Fulhamfoɔ nya 2 red cards ɛnso wɔ mu abrante ne deɛ de William ball bi a ɛyɛ Jadon Sancho ɛbɔ ɛyɛ na ɔde ne nsa ɛkɔkɔ yiyɛ ɛno nam so ma referee gyina mfimfini ma no red card ɛno akyi no red card ne baayɛ no ɛna Fulham striker Mitrovic ɔno nso ɛsɛ wɔnte ne wase sɛ red card naba ɛna ɔkɔ pushi referee no a wɔgyina mfimfini no ɛna referee no nso ma no red card ɛne ɛyɛ English FA no ɛnso ɛtumi de aba ɛsɛ abrante ne de Mitrovic a ɔno yɛ striker ɛdema Fulham no 8 matches ban yɛde ama no 8 matches ɔnkɔnkɔ tena nkyɛn a esan sa wa attack center referee 88 matches and so ya de ama no a ono so ekwa akotran nchen na wa hwe se obe serve awie ansa na wasen aba be si akan enso tumi de ama Fulham boboko no na mekọ ne de video of the day Ziggy Mpacho se on saka fato suma me na fe yen hwe na yen prapra enso e wa ha se video of the day na uba Facebook abra Facebook sesi ya na behwe nsama ekoso enso ewa bibrem Africa Ghana ene Nigeria titiro na ye de yemfa bibia enye hwe ka na ya sande Pragia esika na so Pragia o ye de alodu e de ama eye ka no na uba eye Africa ha okwan ye fa so elodu ye nioma awo ye nkasa huro mu no o de bra Facebook na bra behwe na over Facebook na behwe
o de kwano wa solo kwano wa
eye izo pa na o say
nindua ye
o ba say ni awotwa bobo ya na o hwe ndua pa o lodu
left and right
wa lodu no center mo dia pa o papa ya lodu no so shentem
na ai ba kuno Pragiano ase mattress chenchen o
Pragiano
ase mattress enchen
na esika no so na inia no so eye abobo ya
ni
ono so lodu no na o shentem
solo obi se yakopon pese osre a na odi nani a kira Africa
na wa ba be sere kakra
ye
wahu hwekwa wa lodu ni ana shentem na we kwa academia
ka ne ba ko atreje nyame adom na ka na ye mama mate
ni odi nanim no wahu ba bia dipa na sani hye waka boot
say we asore ba ko sambor tari e jinti odi ne wa to so flo so ai hwe taxi o na solo taxi we dey nyam nwa
pet so
solo taxi we nyam nwa mo de krobi wa me bo edin a kire wo sa kro koso a taxi na nim timi fa 4 a timi fa 5
wait pokra ya so mote
inside na say no
na wa mote so nyina o
ye
o ma ye ma wa ka so
1 2 3 4 5 6 na te so enti emu no betumi fa 10 16
ha ena boot wonu
ma ya ma krobini
we Ashanti region ayi
go so mpacho misro so ayi
pampo de no
ayi oba pa diamond se ochia ena Catman boahe so o show ena afina na Kofi Afriye omo nyina ehwe ahwe wa
aha de Nigeria pampro no
obi se abibrim
Africa no
what a shock
Africa
so le bada was
enti we obroni oya ade we ono kra hye ne
solo ya ha no mpa na akotoka na aka se ope automatic ya se automatic nya papa no obroni na oye no oye ka no ono aja ma no ani ye automatic wa o kana se papa
enti so wa yesu ni ye ban ya kita mu Africa
se bibi mai
na wa bobo ye ni se nie dano ni miawa
so memmo
obi bebe we ye na oba besu se
memmo ura jojida akonyum bi ma African girl come and cast oh me why that's why mo
Ziggy nyame shram
I'm for Ziggy ni solo mama enemy day no aye piso 4:15 ye call straight ye the 15 minutes be wonwom ansa na etwa ho na ya san ababio edemasepa adiokron song achipo ba akoso eni Pastor Paradise and our tenenka so that we can see musem ebre ye no
watching the tide easing. It's lovely night in Africa. The moon is bright, but on the other side, people under moonlight shake. I hear the music playing, but no one dance. African girl, she come to me and hold my hand. She casts a spell on me. She's a voodoo girl. African girl, oh, dance with me. African girl, come cast a spell on me, baby. African girl, oh, dance with me. African girl, come cast a spell on me, baby. I keep on standing, lost in the jungle dream. That face was charming, shining. She smiled at me, she tried to talk to me in her own language. African girl, come dance with me. African girl, come cast a spell on me, baby. African girl, come dance with me. African girl, come cast a spell on me, baby. All alone I stand on the beach, watching the tide easing. It's lovely night in Africa. The moon is bright, but on the outside, people under moonlight shake. I hear the music play, but no one dance. African girl, she come to me and hold my hand. She casts a spell on me. She's a voodoo girl. African girl, come dance with me. African girl, come cast a spell on me, baby. African girl, come dance with me. African girl, come cast a spell on me, baby. I keep on standing, lost in the jungle dream. That face was charming, shining. She smiled at me, she tried to talk to me in her own language. African girl, come dance with me. African girl, come cast a spell on me, baby. African girl, come dance with me. African girl, come cast a spell on me, baby. African girl, come dance with me. African girl, come cast a spell on me, baby.
We are blazing.
When you Fatima Pasi Boatie, Hakwasi, Unisika to Boasiu. Fatima Pasi Boatie, Bemene, Unumusa to Boasiu. Fatima Pasi Boatie, Hakwasi, Ushema to Boasiu. Aswade na Chilitina, Abwa Brabanya Mano, Sisu Bibio. Aswade na Chilitina, Abwa Brabanya Mano, Sisu Bibio.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Fatima Pasi Boatie, Hakwasi, Unisika to Boasiu.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Oh,
97.1.
Sabre dia yes movie. Keke vosu. Mama, what's it day? Obia tiwa mawie obia tio kabibi nentie
Abrama maneka say mom's joint ba kope amanfo akufu road okuman radio oh moye champion Martin okuman from bank enyo kenya kra ma say be bia minimum ho agro kra no po awi anajuo de sum bia mitie mu ni size Martin
Parliament sport mo ho amonka bibi kakra nkyere tiefo
me Adelaide Dubu me wo Parliament sport okuman opposite me de fi anopa kopuma wia anodufa me wireless de ehwa ne da iti misire mu amuti okuman nyina se bia ti ho ne ho de nsempa me da mase
Abrimpon clothing o ho no mu a to anu mutio na yentie we
yo me dinde Abrimpon Kwekutroi CEO of Abrimpon Clothing okuman 97.1 mo na yetie mo ye je
yo dia na Sabiti.
Assalamu alaikum Akuma Radio. Medina Sabiti Abdullahi. Mon fo frère mi yaro. Munti Akuma Radio da.
Yeah. Kwame Taylor emsa manfo aton kache yesi nansan ana akosi papa ba Kwame na te say.
Your friend me Aja Kwame Taylor akropo Masina Junction number 1. Akuma Radio ne de bia yeti. Akuma Radio we number 1. Nyamishira mpa. Amen.
Castro o na se uni o yesi na se bobo we foforo o ho
me din de Ekuya Castro me wo Mandela Market e ho na me ye watching Castro ba ko pe no size okuma afoma ja de papa me fele mu okuma afoma manke ye be wu o okuma afoma je ni nyina mummo ne yo ye mama adwuma pa ene ne pa mo de abo men yimu ye so ye kura masen twe
what about you street light na so you don't feel here what's it there
my friend me Irene dodo na friend me obapa obebabra ye area ho na ho yesu ye be hu okuma FM nyame adomo ama ye street light ye de kwa akobo ho ye de okuma FM ase ene obi bia opuai e ma street light ne bai ye de mas me ye kan ne se nyame nhira ye de won ase obebabra
yeah, and yenya CD na yento adwumadi esu keke vosu tim to Akasia bombo odikro amanfuma baimia adubia antidana koko ase benuye minoye Salome Lampard kwachi Kasola Joe Antidora Mama Frimpoma Fire Negati Manti Deu Rose Miliki Miku Castro Ohini wa yago Opimsan ewa deu Papa Yeho deu Wisdom ewa deu na ya ware wo Odemufu. Kasola. Anyone for Joe? I feel a borehole specialist. Brew. Captain retired. Munina Aquabo. Me washi I won't wait. Yemi anko ya nimu dia. And the idea drum our ye Don Pablo Pub and Sunday Grill. No boss papa. Our Bronco Pim a quo abetifi taxi rank. I want a Jumadian boss hormo. On a Jumadian better from hormo. Nadia net me a concan. Quo abetifi taxi rank on the 6th, on the 7th, on the 8th, on the 9th, and on the 10th of April 2022. Mr. 2023. Na keke fosu a wotinyu mu obehunu was here. Bless. Fe Kofinti. And watch King Jerry. And I feel Dudu na Abekobi. DJs na DJ Chorus. I feel DJ Bullet. MC Senenso wados bebe. Leke munyina Abekobi. Wo munyina abesi fam was here one more. Am adena timi akonkan. Na kwa abetifi taxi rank ebe gidi. Don Pablo Pop was a very life. Ebe bosso adenya betumi akonkan kama 0552 3607 and after 0246 028 5250 adenya betumi akonkan kama Don Pablo Pop. Mamu kwa abetifi Babe na yebari kasa kakra yeba bari kasa kakra na sebari kasa no ebetie mu aba na nsana no yenkopie mu awo Ladekna Gracefield Enterprise omo Latte Junction na kopie mu ho no mo a enima papa nie take away parks no ebi tue mu ho polythene bags nketwa kese ni adantem afi gift bags disposable bottles no cups and afi spoons afi soup bags and wachi baskets and afi plastic bowls tissue papers napkins clinch frames and wachi aluminium films and watermelon sticks soup picks no money ade kebab sticks sanitary pads and afi straw and afi ziploc bags ina ko pemo benya bi Ladekna Latte Junction na so papa pay wo wholesale na retail ina omu twe ne kama so to be ton a onya bi waso na de nya tumi akonkan de amawo Ladekna wa manke be de ni 0265 089 9010 and after 0547 204503 Ladekna or say everything disposable, everything plastic at Accra price. Bo again. Na madika kacha ose train ba ku etu na eba besi ewo ye superb lunch enti ode meba superb lunch for so mo my ticket na be pie mo ho se me akasa no me mpa pie but this time round medware mete wo twen wo mo medware da mete wo metwe na yefa adro we mfa yanum na ewia yemra fi ha no mo
se ye kase Dominion herbal powder ema immune system and then kwabo wo nipadua mu ne yeden na ne senti wo tadi yare sunkunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
adron de fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yese meme se
Dominion herbal powder de minia enya amanfo adanse enti na be kanfo ne aye wo me nipadua mu no eburo madwen ene menti ase so emma Dominion herbal powder empa wo hu da biara da asem no anada ho no Dominion herbal powder enwanso anya wonsu ohie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase bia gumu wo twa nseti yanom
Wawie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba. Apemfo aba ton mo manufo. Ene nkwada woni mfie dum ye ne de won ka ho. Dodo afre 054 315 8195.
FDA agi edwadie nkratuo yi atum.
Oh la la! Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company penny for say. Enya cement ni blocks on kono waton. Ubomodiya di weni choma share. Gubenya eya building equipment. Sambiro paso do call site ahodo. Concrete product. Anafei. Omo supply abo anwea. Anafei bibi biara wo pebia wo building site wo. Kaiser omo so dia into real estate development and so. It would dino paso wo peja ni tempa. Wo fra Ofla Construction Limited Company. Wo bejo so. Fu ani chira obosoma sie kwapem. Amono Klome Krapim, Koforidia, Asunjay Junction, Wasabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company, from I was 055 295 7198 0594 635656 050 280 8992 and 027 9012954. Woko social media handles in Ofla Construction Limited Company. Wonsa Erekomo, Kaisa Omuye free delivery. Baby, I will be in phone. Yedebekwa ko jaw tempara. Senya Ofla dia, and there you are not building. Kayo sa Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property, our priority. Our priority.
And 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Hey yo! Ketiano Kranye. Open the Sukrami Braye. Me ton pons and I'm in your fit. Me bon can say me yet. Me come a punk now per week. When you cheat, let me dim pon countless. Today, do me 2 meter. Car for the Motaya Saka Fra. Pintani Peprenia kick a draw washer. Me babet young. Me babet young. Nansa me sika sem kranye. Sa wonyi ma me do beko than the farmer. Hey, oka say, see a chizika gese ye the charmer. Me my school fees, me light bills. You see money so you don't want chill. You rush up right till you won't kill. Every day be I go West Hills. You see heavyweight the up and the more deals. Today dear me 2 meter. Me babet young. Me babet young. They be audio gem with discotheque. Shellen to ref is our tech. What say more say we lecture bed. Now you the preg. Come on for that. Put in a drugstore pesa to tech. What we know ya kwada in my neck. Today the on me 2 meter. Akra no babet young. Akra no babet young. Akra the odi any abodo. Yama kwa this you a upe python. Wa ufo tu ati a brodo. Uburu mu akwaje Samsung. Game Boys with the AM free. Yeah, budu mu ame mwesi. Upe do di ya wetiti. Abrofin TNT and nidi. Today the on me 2 meter. Yeah, babet young. Yeah, babet young. Yes, ya boshi momu yesin.
We Abrantia Guru. Yeah. I Missy Baby. Na Adanu will be beside me, sir. I was awful. Yeah, what I advertisement. I so pap na ye hu na me say we die me wo ho ye de ye hu agimu pa hwia na obrafo ba me ma patapa madam for patapa on patapa ko tunu a ye be bisa no ho asem e wa kurapon ha yi a we efie ni fie a wonya ba bi afa na medical ka kire mo maka me ka na manfo di machinye dan me ka se Kwame Eugene wabo ana Kwame Eugene be gina stage 3 days na traffic abroko ni nyina aye superb lunch na superb lunch dia bam bio wamu dia ba na nyame ya adum ye ne a on the 7th sada na Yesu awu a Methodist fo yakoyi na free mortuary a yakope baby na ato a enyina ya betra so dam ya baje correction kama na sada na nwumre woma be kwa kosie Yesu nyamba e mama kwaba unse sabe obi wo fia ye sansuo ne de horo yensa ye nyina kwa horo yensa so pep lunch ane jumadie no ayadi Akuapem Mountains Easter Wave 2023 on the 7th to on the 9th of April 2023 Akuapem be ye de papa na ye ma kwaba no wi a aye fia da no ne memene da no on the 8th artist and comedy night and no guru papa ya woto yumi obetene ne wo ho patapa beba one corner dri patapa eba na lewe let me see come onu kwa ne brofo ewiase nyina obi nti brofo nche papa yi wono so betie gina mu na kwasie da no ye nyina yakwa asori ya wie bibibia no na fe ya obrafo pe na abonyu mama Yesu oni o Yesu oni o na dwumadie ni nyina da empanyifo organize ye no womote anim hayia womo ha ye betwetwe nkomo ba ko mienu miensase na sim se gim na dwumadie no on the 7th come on the 9th 2023 aya the Akuapem Mountains Easter Wave no won ka say hanamo na obrafo de no live band consider ko jazz kids for na reheza nra me kwato se wo mu ye no ai consider ko timi just anu wa wuro na chai na obrafo so de agina mu nyante tiepa oye Ghana mame anu awurade no wase awuro no de mano se cry na se ai sijani abranti ameni aware ayaka ajanum me mama kwaba akra odi enini osudi enini ajanum mama kwaba
yeja
na ho ye ajanum pacho odin no
pacho MCKK ni
KK1 yeah MCKK emano si ho ofe papa ne ana mahu emano ka magiadi papa akra yeah edin we
manager YB
and de azigi my YB about the fatu so na what you say keke ni YB o hai na se wie bibia manager and MC mama kwaba mo ho ye de mo free enfa manager
me amonokrum ni de
okay
amonokrum ni ekropon
amonokrum ene ekropon amonokrum haya soketo esu adware okay keke MC wonso
me amonokrum haya
amonokrum amonokrum na we fi no akoye otonyum yom rapa shankoma na ba kono
pop skinny
pop oda so ti ase
akosha America kakra
okay ade na akoma so du America ntino pop skinny ma ente wonka yo manager we dey sha se fi wo so ada no mo kasa mo de Kwame Eugene ba Kwame ampa team no ba be si tisia mo de nipa mako 9 na tisia no ko magu no
enye say yagu ko
ade
like I say Easter bia no wa fan back you drive all the way 4 hours 5 hours now they do ko this time around we started last year and no more start
yeah
this time no you per say you train bia you will say Easter no so Akuapem for your Eastern for it shouldn't be always ko see this time around you per say Easter na tanawa obi wa Accra na otra ne ka mu fi adenta within 30 minutes we do isn't say obe stressing ho traffic ne car mu hwehwe this time around the Easter is here to stay in Akuapem into Easter we there yemfa nche mokra
Easter we there je say e boss wa na enfa MC enfa be ho no mo a
pato superb ho
no mo a ensesa
kra location
ensesa na tese na my brother can yes CEO Mr. Pia Yosin but I be say opese o ma Akuapem nyina etnase tese na kwafo aye for some time now obi asoro osi okọ kwawu ebi baby na yanka kwawu bi oni yanka ekropon
okay
because yen say ekropon
precisely but
I said that my invite dukrom my invite asese so abonse na matron safre kabufo sase kokko nsuo beto abasia kokokom abasia kolate mahwiri akobosoma se kitase afi de madina fo wo no
ti ebedu bebe na tese CEO no ono wadwene ho se no ohia a solid team o meta na chi nti wo hwe ni team ti se Mickey Dale money adwene na chi eba no promotions so Zim Promotions our best MC our best managers our best DJs nti ade a why na adwene se oye ma ebedu bebe no obiale nkoko bi oni nya ya ba akuapem man
okay na amanfo ye omujisika na ade mahwe get fee bi ne so baby ne ho manager aden mo dem mpesika
ye nyense ye mpesika ye pese monije mu ni wa yenso ye ni wo because super by minkase almost 2 years ni nkrofo no na eso yemu nti as won eso yemu agin atum yenso esi yetu mi ye impossible best ni deliver ma won this time kwa was surprise kra ma won Saturday anopa we wanted to give them the biggest surprise of their lifetime obi wa also kwame yuji mo de ne bae no enwumre na me hu this time around your mom privilege you had one be called convoy ride from Peduase the one be far the town
Yama fa akropon ko ni mu nyina ama fa aboasa ko fa latte
ye kwako rala akosie do kro ya pie ya san be fa akropon ye be fa manfe abe fa akropon minua chirpon funu so ye nja won
okre
funu nja won ye kwa asewo
abonse abese akwa prede asenema
oh Jesus ye no abesi awia no menhu say this time we are delivering ye de ma won
yo manager ne MC we dey mesremo dan kwa me yigin kwa dem botimi the number na we dey 4 Guru Patapa Lewin and Obrafo no Obrafo ko anya children service
ntina Obrafo no ye jana special package amamo
Sunday no
Sunday
on ye vibe sa
munyambo yi nsem we ya na mama manager adwo de no MC no kure pa se Guru beba
Guru, I already crowded as a Guru Eba.
Come you say back for people.
Guru Eba life. Patapa Eba life. Lewin Eba life. Lewin put there. What they call your video kakra bi the money and say you farmer equipment near country must say oba. Into near can train say wa also koko biano yes wa men ko bia because if artists in if Accra Eba equipment hanum dia okwa den woko.
Okay.
Artists in Eba.
Manager Guru Patapa Lewin Obrafo one ma yanya oden kan ye record ka MCR Fauci here
the boy my bear prediction wada
me say one ma yanya oden
boy my bear me prediction wada wo so obeka ya ye boy Champions League
na
me wa ha na me ka chemu se me de madwuma to line no so say Real Madrid lose game na me resign the boy wo ha
ampa
this time around me send Majuma to lifeline.
Hey,
minim na mehu.
Manager,
minim na mehu. Till this time me sound called the same challenge.
Sir Guru Patapa Lewin Obrafo omu ba kokora ma
ba meja eju.
Obeja adwuma
makacho.
MC. Sana manager aka. Se me ma tiefo asonte efi eye epred yakopum breku so efa ba bi Okuma radio do aburuchire ni ade nyina a mo be stream live mamanfo atumi ahwe bi e wa aburuchire no se Lewin Patapa Guru Obrafo oma na djuma
de to me so ni o kan no be support no
okay
omo nyina e ba live okay inti me se me ko ba bia wa ye ho superb for de bia me catch mo se ye nchire fake
okay
ye CEO your friend o se ade yo o kan na wa ye wi
ye hwa inside ho o se mo de mo ye dwadifo good into obi ba se enkonwa no a ho
no the boy this time around media seda bebrebe ma municipal assembly
okay
first media ma Okuapem traditional
council okay
and the divisional police
okay
especially commander Ben Kobe yenye that one this time around we are starting on a Friday.
If you're done
on a Friday, and only the Akwaba
Akwaba night, no,
people, all black Akwaba night. On Saturday, Municipal Assembly and Wako Akasa will say when Jumedia Yedi. Until this time around, we're blocking road na my.
You block road no. Zaman for before you knew her. Yes, there is God.
It seems say and you 9 o'clock the road will be blocked.
And you 9. Rebecca announcement no. And you if you are done you 9.
There be a memory.
Memen then you 9. Okay, nyame adoma memen da me ankasa so me ba adwuma no pa. Nti me ba 12 na ma pon 3. Nti me ma manfo ate say 9.
We blocking road.
Yeah.
Na fide. Kwesi adan so. Wo hweye.
Okay.
Wo hu ye. Wo so brafo ba. When you say we yen say so wo sand no so appear so amay.
Okay.
Police commander so ashe yen boss say
so sa
men on grounds.
Okay. The member me gina ho.
Security wise there obi anyan no commando ni yem.
Commando yem say.
Rana beje wani.
Yeah. Oka enyira. Yenwia wa ade. Sebi obi nko ho. Aha. Obi aso mfa bibi ebedi awubi anhye ne ho ma.
Usika to from cry.
Be farmer.
For the onim say.
Security tight.
Security
good.
This time around here person will be there will be more chairs and tables.
Okay.
Stay bra, sit down, sip a bottle, just have fun. You should stage no so. And the boy this time around you perceive a ma privilege kakra.
Okay. Akwanya.
Because you won't say you underground rappers.
Yes, this is Missa. Yeah.
You perceive my artists 5. 5 on Saturday. Privilege. They should come and showcase their talent. Obi wa no a musical producer. Obi wa no a artist management. At least we want them to feel say.
Okay, almost yeah.
So they should, at least they should come and showcase their talent. This time around, we are giving them that privilege.
Okay.
Now, next year, we born now for the acquire a phone.
Okay. And the MC, whatever masa nipa ni mo ma kwanya no limited to Kroponko and as a ebi no bi fikuma se kura ba
over phone fair number
yo number no ni wan we no ano
0246 51167.
Okay o de ne wa chire ha no okay 0246 511167 no and wa we underground artist Mr. 0246 511167 na je so be gina apaso atonyo Mr. Mo underground artist na mo beba no ye mo akwanya na but you go all out anya fe na we say me track na 3 na me de mienu bi fi ase ansa bra fa ho de nyina bra bi a wo bai na le wen akoso mu na super blanche fo kwa akoso mu o chena pe wona o gina paso ye wo aburuchire yo
na the boy one surprise so say MCs no ye wo a big surprise MC
okay
ye nua na Kwame Mpere
okay
ono so
okay
be ono so
okay na Kwame Mpere be wo so
Kwame Mpere ya na Kwame Mpere amono na ye adwuma
o say ye de bata mbia mama ya kwanya da no
nti ono de we de eyo official ankasa obi ono so
okay
obi abo obi wa hu na Kwame Mpere physically no ba obi hu no
so ojina so hu no ba bo so ojina stage ne so
obi wa watching the voice but
oni ampo
nti that day no de oba super Saturday no be hu na Kwame Mpere
sister bi ehia me na me say mini jitina ni jine ho antino onso be hu na Kwame Mpere live ama onso wani atumi agye ho on say dem me dey kan say mo beton ade kakra o ba na ehia say obeji table na fe wo tonsa to nam na ne ade enra me dey akwanya bi to wo say wa obeto 3 bottles na ahwa obeto wa be ma sorry say otimi to be say 10 3 there the amount otimi the 2 a back pocket na okra 1 na ogina wonti to 10 15 20 I just say what to be na yeah wona o
he study ene die mu nkwa na ebeje ni ti o ba no waboa ho kakra na wa kire so your be ma wo betena se a o to na o to
yo and the MC ne manager and if Friday on the 7th come on the 9th obi am enko ba bia Jesus superb lunch good na mo machine mo de lana repair na mo pono ha je say da mo nye bibia kra no lana re mo pono and sorry people should learn that be ni bi o pono tuntuma ya de pa wati
the next time around so the sound in about different sound kra na ba
Jazz Kings almost say baby mama
yeah mama different sounds altogether
Yeah. Manager ne MC asem atwa tokro bi asem baako baako asem bada ase na ye sorry so na ye nko ye nim yedam ase.
Yeah. Ye pese ye da ye CEO ase.
Okay.
Yeah, Mr. Apia Yosen. Ono na we put all this
Mr.
together.
Apia Yosen. Wow.
Ono the bankroller behind Superb Land.
Okay.
Chairman be a chairman. Accra there and Ekropon there. And if near do also enkoma Zim promotion.
Okay.
Papa Zim.
Okay.
Ono na oil promotion.
Bibia okay.
Na ya pese sanka tro bibia se. Okokwo wa me se wa ye ho.
Okay.
Menko bebia ye nyina ye chele o Superb Land because artists ni nyina fi Accra eba. Ye benya passing through so bebre ye wo hono nti.
Amanfo so be fa mo ho di se ja mu bomu a ana ye nkan ka se bia ye amanfo de omunya bi o me no ka sai amanfo lo du inside the trans Superb na dance Superb be tu afi akono be jo ye manager adaroma ne was be chat
asida ne start here fi Okuma FM.
Yeah.
You guys have been there for since day one. Yeah, program amoja emuda. Every day, mo tired. The better crap man nyina ase. So meje yan tum.
Okay.
But the boy last year, Kinky party so beba wamba. Na the boy ne made intent minimum asema make bi. This year, it's not a Kinky party.
Yeah.
Kwesiada watch.
Yeah, watch a party.
Okay.
Before I be sorry kwesiada. Odi anopan brani ndi wacheka.
Mate.
I saw ready.
Mabe timbi kwa koma asore ma no. Oh, be pass method is for. Kwesiada no Superb Land a shame bo. Of appear ne MC ne manager a shame bo. Se meti watch nti kwesiada no parmeba. Why? Obra for so de no krani nyame ani me pene nwom pa.
And the boy enye gate fee bi enye gate fee.
Okay.
Enye gate fee bi free.
Yes. Comport home, come sit down, drink something, and have fun.
The boy, where the patrol, we will fear the about. Friday or Black Aquaba night. We are going to do it with the Superb, your best DJs and your best MCs.
Okay.
Until we have DJ Wheezy on rotation.
Wheezy, okay.
DJ Victim. DJ Raken. He's the youngest DJ.
Okay.
And
then DJ Opponent.
Okay.
And now we have the best MCs also.
Okay.
I'll remember around. We have MC Kiddy. MC Winey P.
Okay.
And then myself, MC to the double K.
Okay.
And I'm
Kwame Perry.
And I'm Kwame Perry. On your special one for Saturday.
Okay.
I'm talking about the Friday Aquaba night. And I'm Kwame the honor for Saturday.
Okay.
It's all those DJs will be passing through. Shout out to sponsors back home. Acrosco Ventures.
Okay.
But our friend is
okay. Acrosco.
That
will be. I'm going to comment, you know. Acrosco. Oh, Acrosco. Nyamisha. Okay. Odeling cars.
Yes.
Hey. Sir.
Odeling cars.
Yo, and then I'm going for India.
Come your photographer.
Okay.
Paul Pixels.
Okay.
Wait. Yeah, the money now. Jovado. Omunina eti papa dia na Jovado.
Obey you ti and obey chawti no.
Obey
okay no yeti. Okay. Hey.
Obey na come.
What's your friend saying?
Jovado.
Ono whatever.
Monochrome.
Okay.
Onya do no ho no ma no wadu monochrome iya hemfi ho.
Monochrome, one of our best listener, friend Salo. Opamade was monochrome. Joe no money.
Shout out to you, Salo.
Yeah. MC ne manager weda mase, but meba. Mama bi kura Sunday dear. Sunday dear. Meba ma be chia, ma be hwo ne ma chia. Ma be chia.
We dey hu ni say afina edu. Last year we yet in 30 this year there.
Last year maba ko meba awia no ba ko bra no mo bo anyum bi na meti wo fi na me ba awia no mu no me ba ma be gina ba bi choke hwe kakra.
This year wa she me Sunday.
Oh Sunday me ba dodo.
Me no better table.
Me ba dodo. Enti am si ni manager de mas papa mo kwa mo nchia busuafo ni nyina ma ye. Obra fo nyu we. Ana wo de efrem se mo nyina mo mra abena papa.
When say my power boka, we are saying so we are bad pa. Say why can make us me baba ni worry your me na them you know me baba ni ma
I said, well, none of them would come on. And Yame Papa and Tina Metuana more, and Brabanaca send me money and mobile. I said, one of them about Kunabu mobile. How is that after I'm a school? And you might be not from me what to throw so. You may mobile my soul, my mouth. And I would share my trap and I'm an asshole. How, and you say, I'm a Jamaican war. And we're best to come up when you win the school. You will switch up and not to you. I want to Casabanaka, you, and I bet you. I saw who offense, I'm a warfare. Sympathize and I'm in a 1 year. A car will be a young Cabana and Indians who are if I'm a two man in the chip. Ah, when I would cast here, baby. I've been at my see one shepherd that thing. But some who are dear, better than 5 things. You want to be a young container in the market of me. I've been a Cassan with my dance here, say. Pay me once a minute or 2 months here. I saw whom you want for me about this year. I'm open to mommy. I will want to walk for
We are blazing.
We are saying, "We are body part." Lewa ekameka sa, me baba ni ye. Wari dio befemi na chemi enunyam. Ime baba ni masimiye. Wari dio befemi.
Even though I'm so talented, why super rush but just forget them. I've been a when I join Mr. Rear them. And you know when you show now to fear them. It's not that I said what they were coming when I won't tell no. But I will be company. Simon, I will not to put them in penny. Now I'm in trouble, now brother, you're my penny. But to be worse here all the time. So rap with your south, I'll guess you're not them. And them swagging, you're the more rap skill. I'm sitting in our alley just right here. I'm going to what they never call us. I've been a not right. I've been a see up with them. I'm going to go for the never fix it. I'm connected with them. I'm getting up in the conference center. I'm going to get Pepe and Capana with your buta. Intima Crocro, me Jojo. How? Me say to me Popo. I've been a bit of Crana Contombo. Maybe a team will go to Chrome. You can't really be but I've been a guy. Papa pressure, think about one alive. It's my development, Missy Canama show.
Afi yeni dwa ba ko pe na afi yentwa homa no ntum na eneso yenkyere ya adwene na yensi po na yensua de na yenko ye anim
we are seeing poni biase moya obakwa ko no dance poni wan fiche ba fo one ne we for
star 787 has 7 kankyere wo say why ye e de awie na wote wo no eno aso be fa wo phone na wa dial star 787 hash anopa wie anwumre wo betumi e de sika 10,000 Ghana cedis ni hiare se eye wo phone no wo eye sika wo so a wa register momo na enedia yankwa kancho bi se bombo se 200 Ghana bio isansa no patututu no ano star 787 hash obetia ma 200 cedis fadidi obetia ma 100 obetia ma 40 Ghana cedis ujiwe na fa eto credit isansa abere na do nyina no wonu omudi agro je se utwa loto ni bi udi agro ni bi ade ni nyina tumi akonkan de ama star 787 hash 5 Ghana cedi obetia to full house na udi ya waye yie jackpot no so namu jackpot no 7 billion and 700,000 newly accepted golden chopper board Ghana cedis ni onye azo be nie oba dial star 787 hash enu mu akwanya na fi wa pick ba ko or you select na fi watuyaka na fi wa enter number no ana dodo opese utwa no watwa no kama sa na patutu no it be the 10,000 Ghana cedis anumre so betumi de 10,000 na fi jackpot no kasa no 7 billion and 700,000 Ghana cedis sikabutien wudi a woni obi anche bomodin ada nafasa akwanya sisa wabra bonne uni fishadu watwa untimi ni agro ibi wona din fishadu watwa nkwa na betumi adibi 0272 6364 48 0272 6364 48 and af agent epem ni mayo adwuma no 0559 6899 48 0559 689948 star 787 hash wasi yidie kwan so a nesa wo stepmother tio wo stepmother wo maame ankasa ana enya wo maame wo stepmother ti eyo maame anase enyo maame wo step mother o papa yire a otosu mienu eyo maame anase enyo maame asam ne etiawa ababa wai eko wareye na wo se ne maame ena eba begina aware no mu na woje sa entama ne sika ya yede ma no na maame no anya ne ntem wa medru entem enti no step mother no ena ejina mu na wo mu wie no na wo mo senka step mother no yemma no bibi kakra se sika no nyina no na ye 1500 etinka wo mo de 500 ma eye step mother no ena fi abofra na ye ware no oba na ye be ware na no a step mother de enyo maame yankasa nkasa enti hu hia se ye be ma no eye sika ne bi na ne papa ne se ekire so kakra ekire na adwene kakra ani tie fama tu motiefu anim ofada akọ anwumre mi chiao to fa twa tiefu ne mbisa mo se step mother oyoba ne maame ana enye ne maame enu so ne begina ne de 500 na amma papa ne yiri no to so mi no sanse ne yiri panya abofra ne maame na nkasa no wantumi ampia mantem ana medu ntem amaje ne ba no ifro ne ma no 0551 0551667755 ofada ko anwumre wasem no ene da proso yi 0551667755 0551667755 0551667755 stepmother wayo maami ankasa anase enye wo maami obetumi age wutinsa obetumi age wa efro ase anase sika ede ye ho ade no obetumi age ana ebra wankasa wo maami wo wuyo na mom baby o wonti mi amedu ntem na ye man sika kakra se da bi 0551667755 na 0270191971 0551667755 0551667755 na 0270191971 Nyawana imyo Mia Makofie Nyafa 0551667755 obi edikan aba ahomano so yenkọ ne nchen kotie nanu asem hello Akumani Agosu abomo Agosu abomo ye idi machro papa macho bosi meba mesamba why
pache yo beshawe
mat ohu yede
yami adom me huye
good what step mother oyo mami ankasa na
you me mami
chiremwe
me mami ni ho tesia obetime agina ma aye bibi aboa me se me yare da ho me nye so obetime kanani ebi betime aye mum nanso ni adwemfa woni tim no obehwe se me sinye kakra nsa na me mami aba
okay enti
se ujune bebre na se bia ne suban bia ebi ochina na ntisa enti se neno enyo no huni se ya o maami
okay enti no 1500 cedis in my step mother na say
you abofaro me dem ekamin ko fama na bi se afa na okwa wale unnim ne ebesi wa wale ebi kura osu wanya yi ukunu be kwa wale aka
Ebada wase
unnim ne besi da chinti udi sikacha enyashe
mati mama
ni bia enyashe
mama bombo mi da se why
yo
mi da se pa hello okay mama bombo se udi sikacha onfa hwe nche step mother eyo maami ankasa 0551667755 obi aba homa no so nti yenkọ ne nchen na enkotie na hello Akumani o
Okakumano
Abrempon
Watching
correct na hu yede what's the na ochira kosu ansa no adwuma Abrempon trial and me nyina so 0551667755 okay obi aba mano sunti yankwa ne nchen na yentie hello Adechibeni
Osama Adwe
Master Negati
yo eni ani wewu
huye
yami adu mi huye papa
good my yankwa meja
na step mother no the role do play wa bofra no ninyin
wan play role bia ne papa iro to so e bi nkeke na ne maame oni Ghana ha na obedu yi no play ne huni ma want me amedu ahefro na sentem nti wa frɛ na maame ne kogina ho enu ane ya
but since any maame na badi a nti say step mother no ntimi nya ne maame nti no fa ma ne maame na kasa
oje ahefro bibia wi na wo yi 500 cedis ama step mother no obia ne so ompene
say step mother no dire mu say ne maame ni ba wo ya ahefro ya no ho kwan say wo de ma no
okay na ye step mother ayo maame ana enyo maame
baby eno ntimi nya maame o ha beti aside ntimi nya maame
okay yo mahase fo ye beda masepa why
yo ko to fo mu isi abo
edru di enu ane has hello hey salo hello edi anu ye ding hili hey salo
Yeah.
Okay, hello, sana makoma bo. Jesus Christ. Hallelujah.
Esa mi number ho.
Yo, mate. Na so for kwesi wo.
Paso yo.
Aya chiano mame. Convention kwa so.
Yeah.
Mo started that be.
Thursday.
Oh, no so for kwesi aye mbone. Ah.
Onya obone ya na ka.
Anka me dia sa wa sasa masa ni nyina. Okay,
ni Thursday ni ndusu ye.
Thursday number starting. Okay. Na Calvary Hill for be convention to be anko. Yo.
Yeah.
Hello. Sabri who are you from?
Sabri there no I'm on the phone.
Okay. That's a network name you.
Me ndusu.
Bo. If you want mpoase wa. Yo, chawadwe ni anko eselu.
Yo, the way stepmother de. Eyo mami a. It's a stepmother be. Echeng wo mami ankasa kra. Nti se wenya se e stepmother ne ka na hwe papa do be ware no mo ye nkese. Nti se wa bra hwa. Se wo ware na woman kani bia eno nse hwe. Nyame hwa no ka cha no krampo. Ebe ma wa ware na koso. Nti stepmother de mi hu se enyo mami ankasa enyo mami. Enye se wa wo fi ni yefunu munkua na enyo mami. Dedi.
Okay.
Nti ofa ni di mano. Na mami ni sufi akoma femu nshira no no fa nkwa na wale ati na enye mano.
Okay. Nti salo the stepmother your mami wa hu.
Enyo mami.
Sa.
Yo. Enye se wa wo nkua na enyo mami. Utimi koshia ma yetimi tukwan wo betima koshia ma me bi the way na ma me ne beja ma ono hu wo be fa ni so ma me prekofe
nti wonje 500 na fa ma na wo hu salodi na atokoyo 0551667755 0551667755 obi ababia che stepmother no ya wonje kakra fa ma eno nti no ya twaso higher the okronga song achiri po ba ko 519 yeda mase papa ni madwen che ne brebia mu frɛ okoma so kire madwen obi aba o manu suntima dawro ma mama ye nkwa ne nchen na yinti na adwen hello akuma ni o
ogu abmanu
ade se kronkron be ni
ade te kwachi ni
kwachi
yo
manfin
manfin
mo amuno krom te kwa na manfin fu abai mi chia manfin nya won ton polo no me pe onyina asem wai
hello
kwachi me te won kan
aha network nka ye wotin nka
yo kwachi ma yan kwa
oh stepmother de wa shi ma ye ne mame because it ase mankuya na yo maame wonya wo betu wi ase se etima obi aye wo maame isi ase wa afra be wi ase we den fa de gboni tim se si ya aban tim tere because we den ayi obi a aban go tim tere because aban de because say afra de obi a de wonya wo be wi ase pe enye nkuya ase wa afra be wi ase enye nkuya na yo ba
okay
si stepmother na de si wo ginam for and ne ma na si wo ginam de ya say scanner the woman bi
okay
well say okay insurance bi egu si a itimi ya adwuma
okay
na say 1 minute kan mi no so de hu an kura na si bi abo okay na say akwa waran kura entimi
okay kwache bada wase why that's it ofa kwache so ache na adwen papa fi manfe hello Auntie Nana.
Oh, you're odipa juma fi afem.
Hey. Na kwa chief manfe na onso fi manfe.
Una se ma tede ne mayo.
Abeba se ai odi program meje ne de ne ye. Ye be transfer amam why?
Yo ma be.
Ona unya kwanso bank be fine pa why?
Edi da benza.
So ze transfer 3 na yapon yetimi fiata bi anti budu a 3 abebo ya.
Yo ma be.
Why?
Sunday kwaga wo.
Memenda de meba adwuma. Memenda ide.
Memenda.
Se memenda ide we kwa sori Yesu fida. Memenda onya de obi abeware, nya de obi abesie funu. Nti menyam si bia anye. Yo. Yeah. Kwachi yankwa trawajin.
Oh, Joe, kwachi so abako.
Hey, Joe, sorry, Mpacho. Joe, trawajin yankwa meja.
Uni ayo da o mame. So what to wa show play the ayo da up 50 bi no the man.
On buy mano.
I saw 50 bi no the man.
500 in dollars one.
500 dollars no.
Okay. Jay 50 mano.
Only 50 man.
I didn't know when you 50 mano.
Oh, there no share that. Blood wa bu enemy.
Oh, okay.
You.
Why are they?
Yo, fida meba.
Marty. Fida so meba juma. Fida me kosie Yesu pe na maba. Why?
Yo, bye. Hello.
Inani?
Odukro ni o.
Hey, champion Odukro.
Aja.
Adenya muhuye.
Yegyina huye.
Na adenya no ne janshi ne wo kwan so ne wo hu.
Ufo to na kokoko.
Dan me hu se ase yi bi ho na nkrofo fa wo pa. Se me ba na me Odukro po bia be hu, obia ba kire me. Una ya adenya Odukro.
Yo.
Ana wo ge.
Nada ekropon.
Ana wo ekropon.
Yo.
Oh. Na ma hey.
Baba.
Mo anena. Obe hwiri ana ba na ante na betumirika.
Baba mo de me jampo.
Odukro ni. Mi hu anga mani beje papa.
Baba.
Mate. Odukro ma fa adwen je bra na yenkwan.
Odukro stepmothers ni bi wo wa. What say wo ye bibi a wo ma won. Obi wo ho so dia on se. Obi wo wa aya ye fuliri ti no ayi na nim kama no aba begina ho. Na mo damo na on ne tin. Shinu aye man. Omwan bu BBM. Ya mo manya ya fra wo muso skada wo mne de. To wa so abe begina ho na wo to face kanidi. Ija ka me kwa wo man fi
Odukro. Odukro afutu ya de man krofu na Odukro mu ya na ndi asem yi wo de abra wo se di wo adenya se na be di no wo man he.
Odaba me no ni person na ni suban ti anza. Obi wa na nim fefe na suban ni ni.
I said be jan prete no.
Saneti.
Anukru atofia on. Yo. Odukro be da was pa why?
Aji.
That was it. Mate. Hello. Inani.
Offer abundem.
Hey. Another number na beat me. The number has evaporated my eyes. Half a minute so. Over na huye. Mo ayade. Wa dwinkyere bra na yenkwa ofa ya.
Oh, yafi obi anwa woni.
Wo say?
Obi anwa.
Obi anwa onimu. Afa kire mo e.
Se papa no, ogwo wade maame no. Na wo maame ni wo. Anu wa hwe wa na nyame ade adum na wanye baby agina. Sikasam no wo po se wo maame no. Wo ya sakura wo nyen hire o. Nti awo se aboba wa no wo hwe na maame no. Wo mu diska no ma no. Sa wo maame siga wo no, akotena burukiri no. Maame ya na hwe o. Ade na wo pese wo divida no. Wo sa de na wo ya iboni aye. Diska no de o maame te fa ma no.
Okay. Enti wo mama maame ni bi wa hu. Yo. Ofa ibada was pa why?
Yo.
Na me shira opi. Mi cha oyere why?
Ubato obaje.
Medase. Ne ma kire mpanyin dwene papa. Minya wana imio. Siama. Imia. Enda makofie. Me untakra nyina fa me gina sioja na mawu. Sebe. Ghana National Tailors and Dressmakers Association. Mesdames et papa. Unity. Papa ya obotiki, mami nchi ya Nigeria mai. My brother. Minya wana imio. Sedebede. Hey, so people lunch, that mudi amachi de beba de just me de make a bese ho. Na fa. Ina yi obed de na yi na amachi de ba ya na. Yeah. We jam yo. Yeah, Yewura Santum nina. Yo. Yewura Santum mincha Yewura Afo. Eke Master Afro. Engineer Kisi Edu. Area Mama. Mena Obuo Parliament Sport.
Ropos bananama. Ono so disido. Sibiasi on wansa moya.
Kwa Sibia Hotel for your namase. Star 787 hatch for your namase. Mabraway. Sedepede. Mabrawa. Yeah. Maburawa. Wafa Julius. And Master Obed. Afe Bube ni Yaro. Medema Kofie. Me unta kranyina fa me jinesio janame wu. Inaze. Okay, we a TV repairer or a Ducrum, a Dutech Quantum Ponoso. Okay, Michia, one of Honkafo, Michia Papa. Ira Lopez, wa Quantane, the Wase, yeah. Brantie Nami Kode Eti Yewura Osofo Reverend Dr. Kwesi Calvary Hill Christian Ministries convention was a Yauda Nerifia asi Osofo Mr. Yauda mefi ba akwan ase we kura na ase ba mebehwe meseja ma besrawa ene Osofo panyini Apostle Labi good tidings papa also ma besrawa Papa Grow was my best round. Kids Prayer Fellowship, Yami Aduma Nanumre, non Kronko Nundu, where Kanyam Sem or free so. Auntie Mary, or Diff Mary, Yamin Shroud. Also for Tabodom, Pastor Isaac Tabodom. Also for Eddie Bruce, aha. Kande Evangelist Dr. Ebenezer Abo friend Grace Patmos Team Ninara. Pakwesi eje ina eja. And then na mame bacho mi chiam papa pa mi jedi se mo hu yi gande asami yoma incoming assembly member edema ebru ana fe Kwame Tofe ana fe adwumawura Safori ohineba Safori Zanuma wode Zigibi midas nyankopon sha papa mote superb lange fonka McFadden wonso midas papa na Kwame Amponsedi the sports team no man pambo bo adwuma na Kwame Mpere afi Yewura KB Kofi Anson ba fo pa kwesi aje afi security checkpoint baby ehun hia ba ko checkpoint wo Honorable Dr. Professor Obed, yeah, Obed. Masumicha Obed. Afiko kwa asifu nyara musumunyebi master degeti ene busuanfo nyinara 5:31 sabre die baba hakofa news no nyame ya adom ebesan edi ehia bio na ye de nka bona breman sana etunyama emoso akọ enjoy the things from amachi today akoda iswa.